This video is on non-verbal communication because in corporate life nowadays the non-verbal communication plays important role equal to the verbal communication. So firstly, what is a verbal communication? The communication where we use words becomes a verbal communication. Contrary to that, the communication where we do not use words, it becomes non-verbal communication. So, non-verbal communication is the process of communication through sending and receiving wordless messages. It can be through actions, gestures, facial expressions also. And in your corporate life, you have to be very much familiar enough and good enough in non-verbal communication because it plays a very important role in your daily routine. There are different forms of non-verbal communication. Under that, the first one is eye contact, facial expression, posture, haptic or touch, gesture, personal space. Talking about the eye contact, you have to maintain a proper eye contact with the person whom you are communicating. That doesn't mean you have to give a continuous stare at that person, and it has a characteristics of non-verbal communication. It expresses much without using a single word, and in American culture maintaining eye contact shows respect and it actually indicates interest. So eye contact usually establishes the nature of relationship. Then the next one is the facial expression. Facial expression speaks a lot about what you are trying to communicate. Facial expressions are the key characteristics of non-verbal communication. And also your facial expression can communicate happiness, sadness, anger or fear. Similarly, in classroom also, when a professor is teaching, depending on your facial expression, we can make out the level of interest in the subject also. So the facial expression is a kind of a non-verbal communication. Then the next is the posture. Posture and how you carry yourself tells a lot about you. How you walk, sit, stand or hold your head not only indicates your current mood but also your personality in general. Like for example, if you cross your arms while standing, you indicate that you may be closed off and defensive. Meanwhile, walking with your head down and avoiding eye contact with others may indicate the shyness. So you have to maintain a proper posture, especially during interviews also. Then is the haptic or touch. Haptic communication is communicating by touch. Touch or haptic is the characteristics of non-verbal communication and is used when we come into physical contact with other people. For example, we use handshakes to gain trust and introduce ourselves. Then the next one is gesture. A gesture is a characteristic of non-verbal communication in which visible body actions communicate particular message. Gesture include movement of hands, face or other parts of body. The next one is the personal space. Personal space is your own bubble where the space you create between yourself and the others. This invisible boundary becomes apparent only when someone tries to enter your bubble and they incorporate in. It depends the personal space how you create and up to what distance you want to create that bubble, that is this personal space between you and the other person. So these are the most common kind of the non-verbal communications. I hope you all are clear with each of the points. Thank you. Have a nice day.